Hi again everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Rog here, aka the Gourmet Grandad. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious crumbly shortcrust pastry. And all we need for this are 3 simple ingredients. Let me show you what they are. Now we have here 225 grams of plain flour, 100 grams of your everyday ordinary butter, cut up a little bit into cubes. We're going to need a pinch of salt and some icy cold water. Now every recipe that you read that shows you how to make shortcrust pastry tells you that you must use your little fingers to mix it with. Not true. Do you really think they do that on an industrial scale when they make these thousands of cakes and things in factories all over the place? No, not really. Today I'm going to make it in a food processor. Now firstly we can go in with the flour. Oops. Try and get it in the processor, shall we? Makes a better job really. In with the flour, in with the butter, in that goes. In with a pinch of salt, I guess that's quite a big pinch really. On with the lid. And we start to mix.
Crikey.
Now we're going to need to add a small drop of this icy cold water, not too much. And on we go again. I always find that when it turns to sort of biscuit crumbs, then it's pretty much ready. But then I let it go a little bit further than that, so it starts to turn into a ball, and always works out fine. Now we can turn this out onto a floured board. Just knead it, get it together a bit into a ball, and cover with cling film. Then we leave that to rest. Now all the experts say put it in the fridge for half an hour or an hour. But to be honest, if you try that, once you bring it out you can't roll it at all. So I just leave mine anywhere, but not the fridge. There we go, the perfect pastry. Well, there you go guys, making your very own pastry. How easy was that? And if you wanted to use that pastry to make something like a sweet, like a dessert, like a jam tart, something like that, miss out the salt, add some sugar, and you'll be fine. So thanks once again for watching this video of mine, and if you'd like to subscribe, I'd love you to, and give me a like of course, and I shall see you again on the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.